Okay, let's do this. And I am actually going to have a question for anybody who can help me at the end of this. Let's get on this thing, this master lock. Pretty. Looks like a pretty open keyway. Not sure how many pins. I'm gonna guess 4. It might be 5. We'll see. I think there's gonna be enough. Let's get this. Still haven't made my my case. And oh, that works. All right. The heavy bar. Okay. Let's go with, to start, Old Faithful. Get some good light on here. Hand on spot. Okay, let's see now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, it looks like there's 5. Okay. All right. I'm going to put some pretty good pressure on here to start. 1 is click. 2. Click. There's no key for this. 3. 3 could go. Click. A little bit of movement. 4 is squishy. 5. Is there 5? Not sure. All right, back to 1. Binding again. Click. It's open. Are you kidding me? Okay. Let's do that again. All right. Let's do that again. 1. Good pressure again. Click, movement. 2. Eh? All right, start over. 1, movement, click movement. Actually, might be able to go more. Nope. 2. Nothing. 3. Click, big click. 4. There's only 4 pins. Click, back to 1. Click, 2, click. I must have overset it. Yeah, I overset it. Okay. Pressure. 1. Click movement. 2. Why isn't 2? There it goes. 2, and I lost the set. 3. Click. 4. Click. Back to 1. Click. I think I keep oversetting it. One. Click. Little one. Two. Nope. Three. Click. Four. Click. Ah. One is loose. Two. The first time was that was seriously the first time I had even attempted this. Now I don't know what I did. Well, I know what I did, but I don't know why I can't repeat it. All right, one. Big movement there. Two. Lost the set. Three. Click. Four. Click. Ah, there it goes. All right. I guess it's just straight 1, 2, 3, 4. You don't have to go back to 1. I just didn't do something right, I guess, on the first try. And yeah, so there you go. Master Lock 140 CS. Thank you very much, John Locke. Lock number 2 mastered. That's it. Have a good evening.